这个见证的活动跟他领导人的发表的谈话有他既定的这个原则跟规律那么对于大陆内外部发展各方面必然都会有所关注那么中共对台政策有它既定的方针那么涉台谈话的内容，我们认为应该会重申中共对台的既定立场然后本会对此有所研议评估很明确的是，那么台湾人民绝对不会接受那么一国两制的一个政治主张。谢谢。重要的选举之前多次的都会对台军演或者言辞批评，那么以及用统战分化我内部的这个进行操作，企图干扰或者是影响选情那么中共的介选正显现出专制政体利用民主社会的这个开放性，那么扰乱民主体制的正常运作达成它的一个策略目标的图谋那特别是今年在习5条之后，北京当局更加大对台促统的攻势近期那么更是紧缩两岸旅游、文化等相关的交流，升高政军的施压也夺取了我国的邦交国，并且将责任归咎于我政府清楚暴露他介入台湾选举的这个意图。那么为了要防范中共对我的这个渗透和干预选举那么确保人民行使这个选举权不会受到中共的干预，自由民主的生活方式不被改变那么蔡总统已经指示了那么因应以及反制一国两制台湾方案指导纲领等工作，加速完备反渗透、反统战的机制那么针对中共可能的介选的作为，国安会也召开了跨部会的会议那除了要完善国家安全防护网的各项法制作为之外，那么更要防止对岸透过网络攻击、散布假讯息，以及用其他的方式来影响媒体、操弄舆论。我们政府也会持续的利用多元宣传管道，揭露中共的介选行为，降低它的可能影响。可是我们也相信，台湾的民主机制运作成熟，台湾人民可以做出正确的一个决定
Mr. President, the United Nations bid of leaving no one behind will remain elusive if we continue to deprive other nations of the world the opportunity to play a pivotal role in the affairs of this august Universal Assembly. We firmly believe that Taiwan is essential to the full implementation of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The inclusion of Taiwan is a crucial step in realizing our pledge as stipulated in the preamble of the UN General Assembly Resolution 71 adopted on September 25, 2015. We call on the UN once again to uphold the principle of universality in its multilateral efforts towards total inclusion and to allow Taiwan to participate in relevant extensions on a dignified and equal footing.
At the international level, Guatemala considers that all countries, in particular those who embrace democracy and the principles that gave way to the United Nations, have the right to belong to this great organization. We believe that the experience and the capabilities of the Republic of China, Taiwan, could contribute to strengthening multilateralism in this organization and the specialized agencies.
Our collective commitment to leave no country behind also demands that we end our exclusion of Taiwan and its 23 million people. This should apply here in the General Assembly as well as in the range of international bodies that are so essential to establishing effective multilateralism, such as the World Health Assembly, International Civil Aviation Organization, and UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. We know from our partnership with Taiwan about the strength of its commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals and its equal and dignified participation strengthen our global effort to realize this agenda.